Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Place the wig on a mannequin head and secure it firmly at eye level. Detach any hair clips and comb through tangles with a wide tooth comb. Gather an edge brush, a soft toothbrush, alcohol-free gel, and a silk scarf for later use. Use a gentle sulfate-free shampoo if the lace or edges feel oily. Work on a clean, dry lace to ensure accurate shaping and avoid excess product buildup while you sculpt the edges. Apply a thin line of alcohol-free gel along the wig hairline using a small angled brush. Comb the gel through toward the face while creating natural baby hair patterns. Use a soft toothbrush to gently press and sculpt short hairs one section at a time. Avoid heavy products to prevent stiffness or visible residue on lace. Tie a silk scarf around the hairline and leave it for 10 minutes to set those newly sculpted edges without flattening overall volume. Lightly mist the lace with water or a conditioning spray to remove any flaky residue. Press the edges once more with a silk scarf to seal the gel and set the shape. Avoid applying heat above 300 degrees Fahrenheit near the hairline to protect lace integrity. Limit product use to reduce buildup and maintain a natural look over time. Store the wig on a mannequin head or satin stand to preserve edge shape and avoid flattening when not being worn.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.